I've discovered 7 unique online platforms that allow you to earn money effortlessly, right from your home. I've personally tested many of these sites, so I can vouch for their effectiveness and potential earnings. Each of these platforms operates entirely online, so you can earn without leaving your home. Please note, none of the companies mentioned have sponsored this content. It's purely based on my research and personal experience exploring various online income streams. So let's dive into these 7 platforms that could help you start earning online in 2024. Let's kick off with the first website on our list, usertesting.com. As the name suggests, this platform enables you to earn money by reviewing and providing feedback on various websites. The existence of such a platform is due to the need for businesses to receive feedback from everyday users like us, ensuring their operations run smoothly. Rest assured, these companies are willing to pay a handsome sum for this feedback, as it allows them to make necessary adjustments to their services. Getting started is straightforward. Simply visit their site, click on Sign Up or Start Here, and fill out some basic information about yourself. Once done, you'll be presented with a variety of websites, software, and companies that you can test and provide feedback on. You don't need to be tech-savvy or an internet guru. Your task mainly involves simple screen recordings and navigating around different websites. The companies will provide you with a list of questions to answer, which could be multiple choice or feedback on their site's presentation or copywriting. Now, let's talk about earnings. On average, usertesting.com pays $1 per test, which typically takes 5 to 20 minutes to complete. However, from my experience, you can earn $30 per test, which usually takes about half an hour. So, potentially, you could be earning up to $60 per hour just by providing feedback on usertesting.com. If you found the previous website an easy way to earn money, here's another one that's even simpler, Listverse. This platform pays you to create straightforward lists. These lists are akin to article titles, such as 10 little-known facts about the Rubik's Cube, top 10 iconic musicals that got horrible reviews, or 10 most outrageous workout trends. And if it's engaging enough, Listverse will pay you for it. You don't need to write a full blog post or an essay, just create the list, submit it, and get paid. You can earn up to $100 for every list you create. The beauty of this website is that you don't need any writing skills. You can leverage the power of artificial intelligence with tools like ChatGPT to create captivating lists and start earning your first few $100s online. For instance, if Listverse accepts 2 of your lists per week, you could earn $200 weekly, which translates to an extra $800 monthly. This is quite impressive, considering you didn't have to do much work, but simply utilized free AI tools online to generate income. Continuing our discussion on content creation, let's explore another excellent website, rev.com, which you can use in conjunction with the previous sites to boost your earnings. This platform pays you to transcribe audio or video content, so you can relax at home, watch a video on this site, type out what's being said, and earn money. If you're watching this video, you already have the skills needed to make money online. To get started, visit rev.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click on Careers. Then, select Freelancers, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can see that transcriptionists who listen to audio files on this site can earn from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. The process is simple. The company sends you the video or audio file, and you transcribe what's being said. If you're creating subtitles for video content, you'll also need to include timestamps. This service is valuable to companies that want subtitles for their videos or wish to convert their videos into blog posts. They prefer to pay a real person rather than rely on artificial intelligence, which can often make mistakes. One of the significant benefits of this website is the flexibility it offers. You can work according to your schedule and get paid weekly. Many companies pay fortnightly or monthly, but with rev.com, you can start earning money within a week. While this may not make you a fortune compared to other websites, it's a great starting point if you're looking for a quick and easy way to earn money online without leaving your home. You may have come across numerous websites promising to pay you for simply completing online surveys. Unfortunately, not all these platforms are legitimate, and those that are often pay so little that it's barely enough for a cup of coffee at Starbucks, let alone life-changing money. However, there's one standout company that I've discovered, which significantly outperforms the rest in terms of payment, Prolific. Prolific is a research company that compensates users for participating in surveys based on various university research studies. The reason they're willing to pay for your participation in these surveys is that the information collected significantly aids researchers in advancing various fields, contributing to the growth of human knowledge. By taking surveys from the comfort of your home through Prolific, you can earn anywhere from $6 to $12 per task, a rate far superior to other online sites that either don't pay at all or offer mere pennies. This is a decent amount considering you don't have to leave your home, and your responses will genuinely contribute to a good cause. As we progress to the fifth website, if you're finding value in this, don't forget to show your appreciation. Stay tuned, as the final website I'll introduce has been a game changer for me, helping me earn my first $100,000 online. Next up is Preply.com, a language tutoring platform that compensates you for teaching a language you're proficient in. For instance, if you're fluent in a high-demand language like Spanish, you can sign up on this site and get paid to teach Spanish. Most of you watching this probably speak English, which qualifies you to earn between $15 and $25 per hour on Preply. One of the standout features of Preply, compared to other language tutoring sites, is that they handle all the back-end work, such as payments, homework, and software-related issues. Your focus remains solely on teaching the language. You don't need any prior experience or qualifications to get started. All you need is a mobile phone or a laptop, and you could be on your way to earning up to $25 per hour just by teaching a language you already know. The previous website I introduced allows you to earn by teaching a language you're fluent in. But what if you could earn by doing something even simpler, like sharing advice on topics you're passionate about or have extensive experience in? That's where Clarity.fm comes in. Clarity.fm is a platform where people seek advice from others on various life aspects. It's the top marketplace for one-on-one advice on a wide range of topics, from sales and marketing, social media marketing, public speaking, dating advice, mental health, and much more. The scope for advice giving on this site is virtually limitless. If you have knowledge about anything, you can monetize it here. If you take this opportunity seriously, it could be one of the easiest ways to earn money online. You're essentially having a conversation with someone, providing them advice, and getting compensated for it. The average call on the site lasts about half an hour, and they pay up to $50 for it. Essentially, this equates to earning $100 per hour just for sharing your knowledge and expertise over the internet. I firmly believe that anyone can do this, as we all have knowledge about something that we can share with others. Plus, there's a wealth of free information on the internet that you can study and then share on Clarity. There are countless opportunities to make money online with this site. The next website I'm going to introduce holds a special place in my journey of earning money online. Longtime followers of this channel might already be familiar with it. ClickBank. Located at clickbank.com. This platform enables ordinary individuals to sign up and start promoting various digital products online using a unique affiliate link. You don't need any special skills or prior knowledge to join this network. It's free to sign up, although it may be restricted to certain countries. ClickBank is one of the best online affiliate marketplaces. Essentially, you get a link from ClickBank connected to a digital product, promote it online, and when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. For instance, if a product costs $100 and the commission rate is 70%, you earn $70 for every sale you make. This is how I made my first $100,000 online. In the first 2 to 3 months of doing affiliate marketing, I made over $20,000. Whenever beginners ask me how to make money online, I always recommend this route because you don't need to show your face on the internet, create your own products, or handle customer service. All you need to do is find a network like ClickBank, partner with a company, share your affiliate link online. It could be with your friends, family members, or Instagram followers, and then earn money when people sign up through that link. With that, we conclude this list of websites that can help you earn money within the next 24 hours. I hope this video serves its purpose of helping as many people as possible make money on the internet. We're in the digital age, the age of AI, and it's easier than ever to make money online. You should be leveraging these websites and many more to earn online. If you found value in this today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as I have many more videos on the way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.